I'm Susan. Today I'm making a peanut butter pie. It's my youngest son's favorite dessert ever, and it's what he always asks for his birthday. This pie is so easy to make. There's only 5 ingredients and there's no baking. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 graham cracker pie crust, an 8-ounce container of cream cheese that's been softened, 1 cup of crunchy peanut butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and an 8-ounce container of whipped topping. First of all, you want to beat your cream cheese really well. Once it's nice and creamy, you want to scrape down your bowl, add your peanut butter and powdered sugar, and beat until creamy. Scrape down your bowl as needed. Now you want to fold in your whipped topping. You want to mix it really well, but you don't want to deflate your whipped topping. Now all you have to do is add your pie filling into your graham cracker crust. Once you have it filled, just put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a few hours. And here it is. It is so good. I didn't show a taste test, but I've tasted this enough times to know how wonderful it is. My son Caleb was very happy to see this pie. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.